Here I have PANASONIC Eluga Tapp, and let me show you how to enable here the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to quickly enable battery saver, let's use the upper bar twice. Let's here tap on battery. As you can see, some battery information just pops up. So here you can use and read the information about battery usage and other stuff. But you can also here use more key and select battery optimization. Here you can optimize your device by using the following feature, or you can use more key and go back, use more key and choose battery saver. So here you can enable battery savers. You can do it manually by using that switcher. Here you should find the red stripes and the following icon, or you can disable this in the same way. What's also really interesting, you can here enable battery saver automatically when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. So basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.